How can I tell if my tankless hot water heater needs to be serviced due to cold water problems?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to tell if your tankless hot water heater needs servicing due to cold water problems. If your hot water isn't so hot anymore, or you've noticed other performance issues with your heater, stay tuned. This video will help you identify common symptoms and decide whether it's time for a service call.
What are common symptoms of cold water issues?
First off, let's talk about the most common symptoms that may indicate your tankless hot water heater needs servicing. 1. Inconsistent water temperature. If you are experiencing sudden changes in water temperature during use, it could be a sign of a problem. 2. No hot water. This is the most obvious sign. If you're only getting cold water when you expect hot, there's definitely a problem. 3. Low water pressure. While this could be due to numerous reasons, if this is paired with either of the previous symptoms, it may be your water heater. 4. Unusual noises. Any new or increasingly loud sounds coming from your heater should be investigated.
How can I troubleshoot these problems?
After identifying the symptoms, you might want to do some basic troubleshooting before calling a professional. Remember to turn off the electricity supply before you start any checks to avoid any accidents. 1. Check your power supply. Ensure your heater is properly connected to the power supply. 2. Check for error codes. Many heaters have a digital display that will show error codes if there's an issue. Refer to your manual for explanations of these codes. 3. Examine the water flow. If the water flow is too low, your heater might not be able to trigger the heating element. 4. Check your gas supply. If applicable, if you're using a gas heater, ensure the gas supply is connected and the pressure is adequate.
When should I call a professional?
If your heater isn't performing properly even after your initial troubleshooting, or if you're not comfortable performing these checks yourself, it's time to call a professional. Here are situations when you should absolutely seek professional help. 1. Persistent issues. If you've tried troubleshooting and the problem still exists, a professional will be able to diagnose and resolve the problem. 2. Error codes you don't understand. Some error codes will require professional expertise to resolve. 3. Safety concerns. If you smell gas around your heater, or if it's overheating, switch off the appliance immediately and call a professional. There you have it. Those are the signs to watch out for if you suspect your tankless hot water heater needs servicing due to cold water issues. We hope this video has been helpful and you now feel more informed about the health of your heater. Always remember, your safety should be your first priority. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to call a professional. Until next time, stay warm,